Hello everyone, welcome back to the gardening guys. So you saw Shane earlier planting, well in the previous video, planting tomatoes into bigger pots. It's not the only thing that got done today. As you can see, we've got some rather nasty weather coming in. So today I got in here and just decluttered the weeds out, not 100% cleared it, but just got the worst of them out as I can. And then that fine piece of land there, I've had stones removed. So there's a big clump of stones by the water tower there that we dumped, and the rest have gone over where they should go. So that's been de-stoned. I'm going to do what I've done with that to this section and to that section, obviously when there's nothing planted in there. So me and Shane are coming back down tomorrow, de-weed the raised beds, have a bit of a tidy up. I also got in between the elephant garlics and gave them a water, as you can see. So they're done. So yeah, just the raised beds. We've got the Amazon rainforest growing in that one, and just a few bits of weeds in the others. So we'll get that done tomorrow. The polytunnel here, this one, it's sealed up so we can't go in. But Shane's planted the tomatoes that he showed earlier. Some cucumbers. I'm not sure what else are in those pots. Maybe a sneak peek through the window. Loads going on in there. Another job for tomorrow. There is that water butt there that we're going to put into that bottom polytunnel. So we've got water in there as well. I've filled this water butt. I've put a bit in there, but weather not really needed. It will fill itself. And the main tank is actually pretty much, well, it's well below half now. So hopefully we get some really heavy rain overnight and we can fill that back up again. Haven't seen Frog. Oh, Shane, you said that we got our resident tit back, haven't we?
Yes.
That's not a rude comment.
No, we've got the blue tits back, nesting in the
and there is a clip for
box.
that.
There is, yeah.
I got a clip of them earlier, so I'll insert that in. I got up on the roof and cleaned the solar panel off.
Yeah, it was a bit dirty.
It was a bit.
Well,
did you see the state of those tissues that came down?
Yeah.
They were black, so that's done. We had a discussion about the felt in the roof, didn't we?
Yeah, it's got to be.
It does need doing.
It's got to be done.
And nothing's happened in here, has it? Apart from
no,
watering.
just a bit of
just watering and maintenance and a bit of de-weeding tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there anything else that I've missed?
Really,
I've sort of gone down.
I'm just
we're just pottering and
just trying to do the watering before the
rain comes
Mother
in.
Nature rains down upon us.
So Shane did mention it in the previous video. We do have a website now with all of our social media links in. If you are wondering what it is, I'll put it in the description, but it's tggofficial.co.uk, and all of our Shane's phone's pinging in the background. If all of our links are on there, and it's looking quite good, isn't it, the website now?
Yeah, it's doing all right.
Shane took a whole load of photos to go on it earlier on. I've taken some decent photos today, some with Shane sort of faking the photo, and others just general photos of progress with the plot, really. So there was one taken from that far corner looking down. I think I took some from on top of the shed as well. When I was up on top of the shed, I took one of the overall plot, and I did also get a 360 time lapse, so I'll insert that in as well. But yeah, go and have a look at the website and let us know what you think. Use the contact us form or the email address, and of course all of our social media, Facebook, Getting Out of Shane's Way, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Discord, TikTok. There's loads. All the links are in the description, so make sure you go and check them out and give us a follow. It does help. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Shane, do you want to say goodbye?
See you later.
There you go. So we'll leave that one here for today. We are coming back out tomorrow. Well, I know Shane is. I'll see what's going on with Shane. We'll have a chat about that in a minute and see what's going on, and then I'll determine whether I'm coming out as well. I should think I will be. It's just a few other bits as well. Little bit of an update. I think Shane said the rooting things that we put on the trees didn't work. There you go. our blue tits in the... Oh, you missed him. He's in the far tree back there. I wonder if he'll go back to his nest. He's in the tree just behind this white polytunnel. He's probably sitting there going, why is this guy holding the camera at me? But yeah, I'll see if we can get some proper footage of them. Oh, he's flown off. He just obviously knows that we're here, doesn't want to get involved. So yeah, like I said, follow all of our social media and you'll stay up to date with what we're doing. I think we are going to get soaked because I can feel it starting to spit with rain. Even the planes know to avoid it. But yeah, it's been quite a decent day, to be fair. Nice and sunny. So yeah, check out our social media and these videos will go out as and when, and obviously the TikToks that have been done as well. I think I've done 3 or 4 today. Will go out as well. So thank you very much for your support and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.